I'm going to show you how to decorate our map for Roald Dahl's The BFG. So with this map and our big friendly giant, he mostly stays in the United Kingdom. He visits places like Buckingham Palace. But we want the students to decorate the map with interesting places they think that the character could or would visit in London, like Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, like we said, and other places. And then once they finish decorating their map, they can also write about these specific places. Like, for example, here we have Notre Dame, but they can write about Buckingham Palace and give information about the characters. Once they are finished decorating the map, we can go ahead and extend our map into new areas featuring giant country. So here I have the list of things giants like to eat, and I've linked that back to our original map where it talks about giants like to eat people from Jersey because they taste like cardigans, or people from Turkey because they taste like turkey. But of course, giants do not like to eat people from Greece because they're too greasy. We can also decorate our extended part of the map with places like Dream Country, where the giant is catching the dreams, the cave that Sophie goes to, and the hole where we have our ending. Once we finish this, we can also make our own map and decide to make new places in Giant Country, like the No Bottom Ravine or the Timeless Sands. These are just fun things that students can do and be creative. Thank you. Have a nice day.